Hello, my name is Brandon Ivey, Regional Vice President with Vitel, and it's been a while since I've made a video like this. I call this Vitel Update, the Vitel Benefits Network for heavy hitters in the industry. Now, has it been that long? I think maybe 8 months ago since I first came out and made the announcement that I was joining a company called Vitel, this little known company that nobody knows about. I remember even having other heavy hitters tell me, Brandon, you're too good for that company. Brandon, Vitel is just a middle name, middle tier type company that's not going to go anywhere. You're not going to make any money. Blah, blah, blah. You need to go join OG, ViSalus, Momentous, all the others. And you know what I saw when I looked at Vitel? Was not where it is today, but where it's going to be 3 to 5 years from now. The same way Holton Buzz looked at OrganoGold the first day he got started, when other people at the same time decided to go elsewhere instead of join him with OrganoGold. I look at it the same exact way. 8 months later, what have we accomplished? It has been bigger than I originally even thought. I can go back and look at a video I did my first 2 months in the business, and I did a Vitel for Heavy Hitters video back then. And I was excited because at that time we had put 500 people on the team. And a little known company that nobody wanted to touch. And by now, we now have almost 5,000 people on our team. I was able to walk off my job in 3.5 months, earn a full-time 5-figure a month residual income, and not only for myself, but help others earn 5 figures a month, and a lot of individuals like Jesse Red, for example, like Curtis Cross, like Reginald Stinson, like Dr. Michael Smith Sr., like Lou Smith, like Kelly Toller, like LaTanya Jenwright, like Quadir Evans, like Carlos St. John. The list goes on. We have over 15 national sales executives and 3 regional vice presidents on our team, Power Team Marketing. We have hundreds of people that's allowing themselves to get their business for free and get their bills paid for free. As a matter of fact, when I had first got started, we had refer 3, 6, and 25. Remember that? That was refer 3 and get your cell phone for free. Refer 6 and get your business for free. Refer 25 and you get a car bonus for $750. Since then, we have now added, you're going to get your cell phone, internet, cable, electricity, and your business for free, and $750. We call it also now the Vitel Challenge. The Freedom Club Challenge is what we call it, where you get to choose which bill you would like to have for free. Your choice. But to top it off, we were giving our members the Vitel Benefits Network. Saved me over $500 over the last 60 days just on the hotel reservations alone. But what we've now have been able to do is we're offering it to the public. You don't have to be a member of Vitel to get the Vitel Benefits Network. So our public can get the same services. It only costs $49 for the big package or $29 for the small package. And if they refer 3 people to the service themselves, they get theirs for free. But what does that mean to you, the heavy hitter? Because you personally can care less about product and services. You want to know the bottom line. How much money can I make? What is the money on the table? Let me tell you, I've been in this industry for 13 years. I know a lot of the top leaders in almost every single company out there. I've been at the bottom, I've been at the top. I have never seen a compensation like this attached to this type of a product. Here's the bottom line. $49 sale, you're going to earn a $25 fast start bonus on every single sale you do. You're going to earn a $5 fast start bonus on every single sale your organization makes, 7 levels deep. There's no qualification or that you have to get paid on all 7 levels. You don't have to get promoted to the top of the company. The only personal qualification is that you at least are on the service yourself. And you sign up 1 customer. But you're going to make $25 per customer you sign up. Not only that, you're going to earn $7 a month residual income on every single customer on your team, 7 levels deep. Now, why is that important? Now, if you are a so-called heavy hitter, self-branded, or you're a legitimate 6 to 7 figure a year earner, here's one thing that I know you understand. How much money, and I ask this question to any company that approaches me, how much money can I earn per customer? See, I was in a company, and I'm not going to say its name, I'm not going to put them out there like that, but I was with this company for 5 years. And it would take you 4 years to make $20 on one customer. You would literally need thousands upon thousands of customers just to make 4 to 5 figures in residual income. See, the key with those companies is all the money is in the bonuses, right? There is no residual income. You're making pennies per customer. The best I found is where you can earn about $2 a month residual income per customer. The catch is you have to hit the top position of the company. And less than 1% of anybody ever hits the top position of any company. So what Vitel has done is says, we're going to pay you RVP type money, SVP type money on the bottom. $7 per customer. How much money are you making per customer right now? Bottom line is this. You want to get to $1,000 a month in your first 30 days? Or this is the message you want to tell the people that's following you? Because we all know you make the money, but the challenge we've all had is helping our organization also earn an income. And I'm not talking about $200 or $500 a month. At least break 4 figures. 90% of the people in this industry will never break 4 figures a month. Never. So we wanted to attack that challenge here. 50 people on your team. 5-0. 50 people on your team with 3 customers each, and each customer is only paying $49 a month. Are you with me? That's $1,000 a month residual income for you. Anywhere between 7 levels. Better yet, how about this? Let's say you never sign up anybody in the business, but you get 150 customers. That's still $1,000 a month residual income because it's customer based, not based on how many people you can recruit. But since we like to leverage, because I'm not going out there getting 150 customers, not happening. But what if you had 500 people on your team? 500 people on your team getting 3 customers each. That's it. No timetable on when this happens. Is $10,500 a month in residual income. What? Do I have your attention now? For those of you who can care less what the... See, this is not about showing you what the product actually is. I'm just telling you the facts. You're earning $7 per customer, 500 people on your team, getting 3 customers each is $10,500 a month. Now let's talk about what the product actually is. We can have that conversation. I want to tell you about the money. Better yet this. 1,500 customers on your team is 6 figures a month residual income. Wait, I said that wrong. 1,500 people on your team with 3 customers each. 6 figures a month residual income. It's just as simple as that. You do the math. Now are you ready to take a serious look at Vitel? Because what some of you guys are doing is waiting to see, is the company stable? Will the company be around? Is there anybody in the company doing anything? Well, I'm telling you, I'm going to be that person. And whether you take us serious today or another year from now, you want to wait for me to do another video, my 1.5 years in the business, to see where we're at. You can't ignore that. 6 figures a month. Less than 5,000 people on your team. Those are the facts. Those are the numbers. Get back with me and let's have a serious conversation. My name is Brandon Ivy, Regional Vice President with Vitel. God bless. Bye-bye.